Thanks for taking a look at this video. We're going to take a look at some of the functions of the compactor and then some of the things that are going wrong with it, and send it off to you and see what your suggestions for fixing the compactor are. Thanks a lot. I'm trying to start the compactor in the normal way, put the key in and push the start button. And what you're hearing is just the contactor buzzing. It's just buzzing and the motor is not starting. The only thing you're hearing is the contactor buzzing. The way we have to start the cycle, you'll see in a second. I'm going to take a little piece of PVC pipe so I don't shock myself. Push manually on the contactor. That starts up the motor, and then I push the start button, and that engages the actual compression cycle. So I have to do two things. I have to push in the contactor and hold it in, then push the run button. In a minute you'll see the compression cycle hesitates before it reverses. And then when I hear the cycle end, I let go of the contactor, and it stops the machine. Next, I'm going to show you a close-up of some of the components inside here. This is the contactor that we replaced. The old one did look a little burned. A couple of the contacts on the bottom end of it were burned. I ordered this one off of eBay. I couldn't find a new one. Perhaps you guys have new parts for these. I ordered this one from eBay. It had all the secondary parts attached to it. So I installed it. I pulled out these three relays and the blue little timer here just to look at them physically. They looked okay. I had no way of testing them. And then I did replace this fuse on the transformer and then tested the voltage on the transformer, and it's putting out normal voltage. We mentioned on the phone when we were talking the adjusting of relays. There's two relays that I see here. I took the covers off of them. The one on the right, it looks a little rusted. This is the one I tried to make an adjustment on. I tried turning this little brass nut clockwise and then tested the machine, but it didn't seem to have any effect. So I returned it to its original position. I didn't try adjusting this relay. This relay physically looks like it's in better condition than the other one. Not really sure whether there's anything relative about that. And then finally I'm going to give you a look at the motor plate, and from there I'll send this video off to you and see if there's some way in which you can work with us and talk us through to repairing the system. Thanks a lot for your help.